going to show you how to do single crochets with instructions. I've just completed a row of them, so you can see they're quite short stitches. This is the top of each of the stitches. So I'm now going to chain one and turn the work so I can complete another row. And unless stated, you just need to work it through the top of the previous row, which will be the 2 loops there. Oh, and I started the row with a chain. So work through there, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. And there is the top of your first stitch. First single crochet on the next row. So again, put your hook through the top of the stitch, yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. Hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And that is the single crochet. Oops, I missed a loop. There we go. Through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. The end of the row. Single crochets.